Okay, guys, here's the second part of the video that I needed to record. So this website here, the National Geographic Kids site, has 8 different short articles about the different Native Americans that lived in the different regions of the United States and of North America. So what I want you to do is pick two of these. So look at the pictures, think about the regions and which ones you might be most interested in, and pick two different articles to read. So let's say, for example, I say, I think I'm going to read about the Native people of the American Northeast. So you're going to open that up. And when you get inside here, you're going to see pictures. There's going to be a lot of text. And sometimes the text might be, this looks like it would be second grade reading level, but sometimes the text might be too tricky for you to read. Well, don't worry. You're going to look up here at your Chrome, at your tools bar. You have, it looks like a little purple puzzle piece that has an R and a W on it. Did you know if you click on that, that's your read write toolbar, and you can always do this. Get it going here, pick something, and hit the play button, and it'll read it to you.
Cool culture. Each tribe had clan groups that were named after an animal.
I'm going to pause it right now.
Bear.
And so this is how you can, if it gets too challenging for you to read, you can listen to it. All right, so then what I'm going to have you do is for each article that you read, and you can definitely read more than two if you're very interested in this. For each article that you read, you're going to go over to a class Jamboard. Let me show you that. So on this class Jamboard here, I've made a page for each article. So we were just reading the Native people of the American, which one was this, Northeast. So you'll come over here to the Jamboard. And this one, see, this is for the Arctic and subarctic. So you're going to have to find your one that's for the American Northeast. And a really interesting fact that you learned, I want you to make a sticky note, put the fact down here, and then type your first and last name. Then I want you definitely to go back and read a second article and do the same thing on that second article's page. So there's a page for every single article. I read the Native people of the American Southeast, and I found an interesting fact. I said they celebrate the first ripe corn of the harvest by doing the stomp dance. So that's interesting. That was interesting to me, so I made a sticky note. Remember that we are working together as a class on this Jamboard, so make sure that once you've created your sticky note, that you scooch it out of the way and so that it's not overlapping anybody else's sticky note. And please don't make your sticky note really big because then we'll run out of room and we won't have enough room for the sticky notes that are going to be on the page. So once you've made your sticky note, don't forget to come back when other kids have made their sticky notes and read about some of the cool things they learned about some of the differences among the Native American tribes in North America, just because of really the regions that the people lived in. I wanted to show you one more thing on this National Geographic site. When you're here and you're looking at the 8 different articles you can choose from, and this right here, this encyclopedia is not an article, it's a book to buy, so don't pick that one. Up top, you're going to see some things that say games, videos. That all sounds so fun. After you've done this assignment, if you want to do some of those, you can, but they're not related to the Native American topics that we're talking about today. So finish this assignment first and then go back if you're still wanting to click on some of those, okay? All right, I cannot wait to see how cool this Jamboard turns out to be. See you tomorrow.